Hi guys, it's Angel. And how's life? I hope you guys still in a good condition and happy, of course. Anyway, now I'm going to explain to you about how to use he, she, they, him, her, their, or his, hers, theirs. And I'm going to be accompanied by my friend Pikachu. So say hello to Pikachu. Here's the first one. He, she, and they are used when a pronoun is the subject of a sentence. So subject here means it becomes the agent who is doing the action. Here's the example. He is sleeping. So he here becomes the subject of the sentence, becomes the agent who is doing the action sleeping. So once again, if it is used as a subject of the sentence, as the subject of the sentence, we use he, she, they. And the second one, him, her, them are used when a pronoun is the object of a sentence. Here's the example. She hates him. She is the agent, hates is the action, and him is the one who got the action from the agent she. So once again, if it is used as the object of the sentence, we use him, her, them. The third one, his, her, hers, their, and theirs are possessive. It means like kepemilikan, like that. And possessive itself is classified as possessive pronouns which go before nouns and possessive adjectives which can stand alone or no nouns are needed. Here's the example for possessive pronouns. This is her book. So book here is the noun, so her, the possessive pronoun, goes before the noun here, her, like that. And here's the example for possessive adjectives. This book is hers. No nouns after it, right? You can see the difference between her and hers. If there is no noun after it, we put another s after it, after the pronoun her. So it's hers, like that. Except for the word his, because it is already ended with s, so we don't need to double it again. And I'm going to use these two signs in my PPT a lot. So the blue one means male and the pink one means female. Here is the example. We have male Pikachu, and male Pikachu is standing. So we need the subject. So we use he is standing. He here becomes the subject. What about this one? Still the same, but the gender, female Pikachu. We have female Pikachu who is standing. So we use she is standing. Same, it becomes the subject, but it's for female, like that. And this one, we have both male and female Pikachus, so we have more than one subject here. We have two subjects, so we use they. Still same. It is used as the subject of the sentence, but there is more than one subject, so we use they instead of she and he, but we use they. And don't forget to pay attention to the verb If it is only one subject like he or she, we use singular verb like is. But if we have more than one subject, I mean, for example, two subjects like this one, we use verb, plural verb are, like that. What about this one? We have Bulbasaur here likes female Pikachu. So Bulbasaur likes the object female Pikachu, so we use her because female Pikachu here becomes the object, not the subject. What about this one? We have this cap which belongs to female male Pikachu, I'm sorry. So this is his cap. It is a possessive pronouns because we have noun cap here, so we just need to use his. What about this cap is his? Still same because like what I said before, his already ended with s, so we don't need to double it with another s. And this one is possessive adjective. What about this one? It is a female Pikachu. So this is her ribbon. And this ribbon is hers. So the first one here is possessive pronouns and the second one is possessive adjectives because the first one have nouns after it, but this one we have no nouns after it, so don't forget to add another s. Same goes for there because there is ended with r like this one, so we put another s after it. So how is it, guys? Have you learned something new? And of course I hope you guys learned something new through this video. Anyway, thank you for watching my video and I can't wait to see you guys again, guys. Stay healthy and happy.